Hi. Good morning, guys. Ugh. I just woke up and I still need to wake up a little bit. Okay, so today's video, tomorrow I have a bikini photo shoot, so I thought it would be fun to share 24 hours before and to show you guys how I prepare for this, what I do, what I eat, how I work out, any beauty things I do. Yeah, I mean, obviously very often we shoot like bikini on location, so if I'm traveling I can't do all these preparations, but I always can do like workout and I eat like certain things. So yeah, that will be fun. I just what time is it now? Let's see. Oh yeah, 7 a.m. Okay, I am gonna wake up obviously, and then I'm gonna go to the kitchen. I don't know what I want to eat yet. Maybe I go for a workout first. Let's see. First, wake up. I like to start my day with a matcha latte, and I'm not really like hungry in the morning lately. It's really strange. Normally I would like wake up and the first thing I wanted was breakfast. So I'm just going to drink this one, and then I'm gonna change and I'm gonna go to the gym. So one day before a bikini shoot, I never really do like super heavy weight training, because I feel this kind of makes my legs and everything a little bit more like puffy in a way. Not big, but just a little puffy. So what I'm doing, I'm going to use like a lot of elastic bands, ankle weights to really tone and like lengthen my muscles, so that will show tomorrow. So I'm gonna finish this and then on y va. now I finished my workout and I have a nice smoothie bowl with some maca powder in there, protein powder obviously because I just did a workout. So it's not like a super intense, high intensity workout, but you still work all your little muscles, and that's like how you get like super tight and toned. I actually need to hurry a little bit because I have a couple of meetings in the city today, and this afternoon I'm gonna try something new. My friend Daphne recommended this. They call it a magnesium wrap, and you go in infrared sauna. And she was like, oh my god, if you ever have like a bikini shoot or anything, you should try this out. She was like, you feel incredible, you look incredible, it's kind of a detox. So I also wanted to tell you guys a little bit of things I do and the things I don't before a bikini shoot. I don't starve myself. I don't do super heavy weight training. I obviously don't eat a lot of sugar, alcohol, or too much coffee. Then do's, I do a mild workout for lengthening and toning. I try to eat the same as I normally do, clean, but with a lot of protein, because otherwise my muscles immediately like disappear basically. And that's not what I want, because I want a little booty, I want like a good shape. Another do, I go to bed early obviously, and I often do like a spray tan, or I do a little fake tan, because if you're a little tan you just look a little bit more healthy. You have this natural glow, and I also feel more confident when I have a little tan. So I have to figure that out actually, what I'm gonna do today. Yeah, I will see later. But I'm just gonna finish up my breakfast, and then I'm going to head into the city for a couple of meetings and my body treatment. Okay, so I just have like a couple of meetings in the city, so I just grabbed some salads super quickly, and I will show you guys what I have. It is spinach, I have cucumber, tomato, asparagus, sweet potato, I have lentils, quinoa on the bottom, and beetroot hummus. So I just finished my massage, and at the beginning I was just wondering like what's the difference with normal massage, right? And oh my god, I definitely felt it. They were using this like stick and they would go like over my body. It was more like, the movement was more like this, and then like an actual like massage like this. And I don't know, it just felt so weird. And when she was going over my stomach was like, so I probably shouldn't have lunged before, but I feel amazing. Like I feel really good. I'm just like gonna go home right now, take a shower, see if there's any results, but I feel amazing. I feel really good. Ooh. Okay, so I just took a shower, and honestly, obviously like I worked out this morning, but I really feel that this like wrap and like the sauna thing, it really helped. It's not that my stomach is more like toned, but it's more the sides here, it's more shape. This is crazy. Okay, I would definitely like try this out again for like a bikini shoot. Good thing. So also something else what I always do if I have to shoot is I make sure I have like a little tan, because as you can see it really looks like I come straight out of winter. I am so pale, like so pale, and it's not that I don't think pale is beautiful, but when I'm shooting lingerie I always feel when you have a tan it's just a little bit more, you look more like healthy. It's just like you glow more, you're more toned, you're like shiny and fit. So I don't have time to do like a spray tan today, which I sometimes do as well. Not that often though, because it's so bad for your skin. Not that this stuff is good for your skin, but I've tried so many different kind of tanning stuff, and honestly this is just by far the best one. This is the Sanne Vloet Self Tan Classic, and I have here like a little bag with a little glove, and with this I'm going to make myself tan. Ew, is this mold? I don't know, or it's supposed to be like that. I think it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. Okay, so what I do, I just take some of the mousse. So I took a shower and I used like a body scrub, and afterwards I didn't put any body lotion on there because otherwise the color doesn't like goes into your skin really well. So what I do, I just put some on here and I just spread this out on my body, and honestly this gives my body like such a nice and natural glow. So obviously I took my top off, not in front of the video, and I did my whole body. So yeah, this is gonna turn into like you already see it though, in like a super nice glow. I think for now I'm just going to relax a little. Oh yeah, by the way, I didn't really do my face because it's very dangerous to do your face, I feel, because if you do a little too dark you can't really take it off and it looks really bad. So what I do, I always keep it like kind of pale, and then I just put like bronzer, like makeup up. That's so easy to fix. Yeah, I am going to relax a little bit. Max is not having dinner with me tonight, so I have to cook all alone. I just hate that. Honestly, if people ask like when are the moments that I order whenever, it's just, or pick up something, is when I'm alone. I just love to cook if there are like more people. Lucky Max. But so yeah, that is my plan for tonight. And this is my dinner for tonight. It is super simple. It is a tuna steak. I have some grilled zucchini, some grilled asparagus, and some grilled wild rams, some leeks. Yummy! Okay guys, my plate is all finished up, and I'm just gonna relax a little bit, and then I'm gonna go early to bed because tomorrow is an early day. So this is kind of what I do 24 hours before a photo shoot. The little trip to the spa is something what I tried for the first time as well, but I actually really enjoyed it, so I might do that again before a photo shoot. I really hope you guys like this kind of style of video. If there's anything else you want to ask me, or if you just want to say, then please leave a comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I see you next time. Good night.